Idiots, you do not talk, waste time such in manner. Minneapolis, George Floyd. You criminal, you are trying to avoid blue whale to support and to finish the civil and white peoples. That black people's racism and brown people's combined Houston system is very horrible. Today is in India. This time is this
But then for lower levels of subject activity such as passive resistance, right?
6 April, time 9:10 p.m. It is horrible with Alvin and Math Dan
Use with law enforcement
systems.
to graphically represent
This Chudir Bachas is going supposed. I asked that Chudumarani who was showing that Chudumarani Indian.
Levels of resistance increase and officers' response also increase.
and similarly as levels of resistance decrease, much of the opposite.
You should de-escalate use of force involved.
And that's actually listed on this response and control guide, isn't it?
Correct.
There is a lot of time I asked to speak
You indicated that you train officers
how
that they should use the least amount of force
you are practically tried in the name of George Floyd trial. It is very wrong not doing proper justice for the world humanity.
Want to use the lowest level of force possible.
You peoples just doing crime against humanity. US President Joe Biden and Kamala Harris and all White House peoples remaining White House at present these times. You are not listening my warning. You are doing humanity annihilation. You are trying to kill billions peoples. You are just doing wrong to spending time this such type proceeding. Democrats is a very horrible persons. These are imposters, liars. This Chudmarani, who was a Bengali vulgar lady, came as if she magis.
the concept of minimum restraint, is that right?
That's correct.
And I'd ask you if you could please highlight the first section. I'm sorry, the second section. What does the policy of the statute provide regarding the amount of restraint that can be used on an arrested subject?
Why I to take
Arrest when that subject person arrested to force.
this? Because once when I tried to take these machines, we are taking in the deep. See, this is Rob, is your hob, Alvin, and this is your Ayub Sentry. It is to go 6,500 meters, but that is hardly matter. You are reaching much more deeper. We are 22,500 scientists, engineers, and observers were to visit the floor of deep with one such. Since to launch is 1964, you are misusing trying this system to kill the humanity. It is an horrible. This time is mentioned in India, in Eastern India, and Bengal, Jarambadi, Kamarpukur. At my Mulluk place, you have place, and how many people's life will go on particular time that suffer of cardiac cerebral damage, cardiac arrest, etc., that will take various harming nature of the peoples. How many from this point to USA? How many country people will live life in each and every day? that rate your support, your machines, Hob, HRB, all this, see this cloud formation. This is horrible machine system you are allowing to misuse by this Woodland Holy Institute. It's not at a holy, it is a demons, monster, gangster, criminals institute, where Samrat, Bose, Kanala, Sankalal, Indian bonds are to misuse this facility and these systems. Today I was very upset to learn of this my so many videos. You are ignoring about this. You are just doing crime against humanity. That Bogbas doing George Floyd is just madachot culprit criminal, idiots for his life who has done wrongly. My nam Vietnam chudir nam Vietnam chudir bacha chudmarani. Bengalis to do and they are to do wrong agitation, and this all witches culprit criminals. These culprit criminals to enjoy your flags, funds, money, etc. This is the wrong peoples who are doing climate change since 1964. You people, and they have killed so many aquatic lives. Beside land, terrestrial, all creatures they are harming climate. So gloomy and hard tungsten using 400 or 4,000 ton. These criminals are Indian bonds. That's a culprit criminal, all are witches. See what are you witches, what they are doing. Know your ocean, a low pressure cyclone creation by them. You Chudmaranis, as an I use also Bengalis, what they to do, just they to do crime against humanity and other creatures. With this type of machine and jahaz set up to go enter into the water, this is creating horrible situation by this magis of Bengali Indian bonds, and this is really horrible. This is a real horrible things. Your sea exploration is not at all required. Your sea operation is not at all beneficial to humanity. What you are trying to do, you are doing all type of crime, doing all modern times abnormality in premature death, climate change, calamities, sudden weather change, all are by this. And with this money, as you have taken, that you have captured, that officials of all replaced by your funding, you are crime doing, ship sinking, cruise, costly vessels and wealth rich minerals and ores or scientific instrument. So you are doing very lot of crime. What I have to mention, this blue whale magis. Magis in Indian Bengali words, but the vulgar Khanki magis, Chudamaharanis. This alvin meats, whatever, do know. I have a horrible to learn these things, and I to inform they are only behind of this all type of crime doing. This is our machine which is deep and rotating form. This madachos I cannot explain because I collected. This is now blocking my internet. They are not allowing me to play. You are seeing this Chudmaranis because I am and I have and I had. I will be having exposing them. So they are to hinder me. This Chudmaranis, you see this. They are not allowing me to play their video here. They are just internet blocking. This Chudmaranis, you show this is supposed to play. This is supposed to play. Because you see this, my keyboard is constantly clicking. It is there, but it's not run because that Chudmarani, Tujoy, Tuji, Jodu, Kundu, Modhu, Kundu, Tumun, Momun, तुसिको तुहितो दिब्बा सिंह मनीष सिंह मजीद सिंह चुदिर बाच्चा तुसित कुंडू सुजीत कुंडू तुमुन कुंडू प्रद्योत घोष दिब्बा घोष के दिब्बा सिंह because the vulgar lady to use lot of call boys is not a husband, they are to create sinful wrong puppet productions as a curse of the whole world and India. These peoples are doing very horrible situation. This institution, this logo and this institution being introduced as a most wrong people in the world history, they have drawn crime against humanity. And doing as you are remain silent, White House is remained silent, and Indian South Bloc, North Bloc and UK backing all these oceanography systems. This creation is by them and premature death all time by created by them.